Hello, teacher.
Hello, what's your name?
Nepal.
Okay, how old are you? Pun?
I'm 70 old.
Okay, how are you?
I'm 70 old.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. Okay, so are you ready for your speaking test tonight?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so look at the picture. Okay, so this is in the classroom, right?
Yes.
Okay, so which is the computer?
It's here.
Very good. Which is the board?
It's here.
Board. It's
It's here.
it's here. How about the ball? Ball.
It's here.
Wow, very good. Which is the clock?
No.
Clock. Over?
It's here.
Okay, very good. And how about the shelf?
It's here.
Very good. Very good. And last one, where is the chair?
It's here.
Wow, good job. Very good. Are you ready for the second task?
Yes.
Yes, so let's go. Okay, again, this is in the classroom. Okay, so, okay, what is this?
It's book.
It's a book. Okay, how many book do you see?
One book.
One. Okay, what's the color of this book? This is color
It's blue.
blue. Very good. Okay, look, I will put the book here. Okay, what can you say about the book here?
The book is under the desk.
Very good. Okay, so I'm going to put the shelf here.
The
What can
cell.
you say about the shelf?
The cell is.
Shelf?
The cell is
The shelf?
under the bowl.
Can we repeat that? The shelf?
The shelf is under the bowl.
Very good. Okay, so what is this?
It's rubber.
It's a rubber.
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 Okay, I'm going to put the rubber here.
The rubber is in the bowl.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
The bus.
No, not yet. This is a.
The school bus
Okay, this is.
is
It's a.
is a bag.
It's a bag, a school bag. Okay, put the school bag under the desk. Desk. Under.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now, what can you say about this bag?
The bus is under the desk.
Okay, the bag
Bag
is
is bus.
the bag
The bus
is
is under the desk.
okay, very good. Okay, put the pen on the table. On the table.
On the table.
Table. Or the desk. Okay, put the pen on the desk.
Yes.
Okay, what can you say about the pen?
The pen is on the
Is on.
is on the desk.
Okay, can we repeat that?
Yes.
The pen.
The pen is on the on desk.
Okay, very good. Okay, I'm going to put.
Desk.
What is this object?
pencil case.
Okay, it's a pencil case. I'm going to put the pencil case here.
The pencil case in is in the bin.
Okay, can we repeat that? The pencil case.
The pencil case is
Okay,
on.
pencil case.
Pencil case is on the
In.
bin.
In.
Is bin.
Okay, the pencil case is in the bin.
The pencil case is in the bin.
Okay, very good. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's already 6. Okay, let's go to the last part. Okay, let's go to the last part. Okay. What happened? Okay. So for the last part, you are going to read the conversation out loud.
Yes.
Okay? Are you ready? Go.
Yes. Oh no. Where my pencil is here. And where my book is
Here.
here
Too.
to look. Oh,
Thank you.
thank you, Bear.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much.